So again, no, here in hands, no, again, siya MRI. So we do the stretching, yeah, we done the massage. So kailangan ato i-release ang yung imbalance of the muscle, no, again, kasi if there's scoliosis, again, no problem, and then the gasoline lang, okay, nurse, we do it 20 seconds, hold, and stretch. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Congrats, no? So, karon 90 degrees, no? So, again, here, no? Spondylolisthesis, the name, no? Again, this is the nerve, no? So, muna itong ikuan nga, ma-release siya ang pain and tightness. So, karon on the right. Okay, hands here down. Okay, congrats again, hands, no? So, wala. Normal, no? Ha? Wala na maguba yan, no? Again, so, kini matuig, grabe-grabe, no? Kaya mo niya, numbness on the right. Again, here, okay, relax na. Again, 20 seconds hold. And stretch. Good, it was 90 degrees na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Congrats, no? That was 90 degrees, yeah? Again, 90 degrees na, normal na. Internalize like pain, or natural pag yan, no? Again, this is our second session. Good, the double. Then we're gonna stretch and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, again, so more, no? So to correct the balance, more, no? Then the next one is the gasoline, yeah? Gasoline of the muscles. Thank you.